Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about how we are going to connect Python with MySQL database. Many video you will be seeing on the internet how to connect that, and especially for class 12 students who are going to appear in 2014-24 examination, and they will be keen about knowing how to connect Python to the MySQL because they already have studied Python and MySQL separately. Now the connection is required. Many places people are not able to do that. So in this video I am going to show you the simple steps how you are going to connect Python to the MySQL database. So here it is, let's start. So for connecting the Python to MySQL, you need a library which is called mysql.connector. So for doing this we need to download it. Nowadays with each and every Python installation, pip is already coming, so we have to use pip command, pip then install mysql.connector.python. This you will be getting then you have to connect to the internet, it will get downloaded. So in my case it is already there. So new release, it is saying it already came rollout, but it's okay. I am having this 23.3.1. So if it is not there in your machine, it will be downloaded, and if it is there already, so no need to worry about. Directly jump to the code and you can write the code. MySQL must be switch on. MySQL must be on your machine, or then only it will be get connected. So for doing this, first of all, open any of the editor. I am using Sublime Text, so I will be using Sublime Text as a editor, and here it is the first line code. First we have to import MySQL dot, making it somewhat bigger so it will be visible to you, MySQL dot connector. This you have to import, then you have to create the instance of connection. So for doing that you have to use mycon equals to mysql dot connector dot connect function is there, you have to call. So and connect function takes 4 parameters, which is host, then it will take user, then it will take POW password, PASSWD password. It will be like this. Then next is database. This is one of the important component or the parameter need to pass, so that will pass. So how we are going to do that? Host is local host, then user will be root by default. Password I don't have anything, so password will be empty, and the database I am having in my machine is test, so I will be using the test database. So once the connection will be get established, it will not throw any exception if you run it, or if it will be having any problem, it will throw exception. So let's have some print statement. So I am writing connected, and let's save it, run it. I am saving desktop, B connection Python, right? Then save it. Now we'll start running it out. Control B, it is saying having the trouble in print, print double R it is. So let's save again. Control B, connected. So my database connection is established. This is what the simple thing you need to do for connecting the database. Only 3-line code is more than enough. Now to get some record from the database, from some table, you need to write some more line of code. If you want, I will write it right away. So the next will be, from the connection you have to create the cursor object. So I will write the object name cursor G. I will call cursor to cursor G. Cursor G equals to mycon dot cursor. Cursor object is there, then it will be creating the cursor. Now I have to create some SQL query, like query equals to, I am having customer data, table in the database. Let's see. So select star from customer. Now cursor g dot execute is the command, and you will be using query. You will be passing the query to execute. Once you will pass, it will execute that. Then you have to get the result set out of that by using fetch. rs equals to cursor g dot fetch all. Now just iterate it and print it. For I in rs or row in rs. Print row. That's it. So each and every row will be coming up. You can see these are the records which is there in my machine, is available with you, which is having customer ID 1, Arun is the name, Delhi is the address, and this is the phone number. So this is what you need to do, nothing much. These 6 line or 10 line of code is more than enough to get the database connection and getting the record out of the database. So this is it. In this video we'll talk about something else. If you want, please comment on this video so that we'll have some idea about what else you need from my side and what I need to be get prepared for you. Thank you.